G'day guys, got a GPZ7000, it's been modified and we're going to give it a test in Ballarat up at Canadian Forest. I brought my couple of test targets here I used last time, which is 0.05 and a 0.1 on the stick there. We'll just give it a go. The gain on this is on 12 and it's in high yield, and everything else is pretty standard, so we'll just go over the 0.05. Fairly clear signal about there. We'll go over the 0.1 of a gram. Losing it there. So that gives you an idea. 0.1 gram. Now put a 10-cent piece down. Okay, I'll use two hands for this. Still getting it. So get it about there with very wide sweeps. So it gives you an idea. We'll go back down. Okay. Give it I'm in GPX mode doing that. Hang on. There's a bit of junk there. Hang on, we'll get to a spot where there's no junk. Alright. Here we go. Ground balance is fine. There's targets everywhere here. I'm on the road, so I should really go bush, but there's long grass and don't want to risk any snakes. There's junk here, there's a big piece of metal there. So there is gold in this area. I found couple of nuggets here before. Anyway, the idea was to show how the GPZ goes with a few mods done to it. Right, bit of interference, I can hear it. You lift it up. Yeah, there is interference here, but get it down low and cuts most of it out. Not too bad. Anyway, that'll do us, and we'll turn the power off. That's all, folks.